When making tea and coffee, do you add honey or sugar to them? In today's video, you will discover which one of them is better than the other. Honey is by far known for its sweetness, and it contains slightly more health benefits than sugar. That is why it is often touted being the healthier choice with more nutritional value. According to nutritionists, honey can be added to lots of recipes to replace sugar and sweeteners as it has more nutrients. According to research, honey has been used throughout history because of its health benefits, which include acting as an antioxidant, which helps to protect your body from cell damage. It also contains antibacterial and antifungal properties, which is good for the treatment of Candida-associated infections. It aids in bowel movement, thus improving constipation and other intestinal problems. It aids in digestion and bowel movement, thus improving constipation issues and other intestinal problems, since it is a natural prebiotic. It is recommended to use 1 tablespoon of honey to sweeten your drinks, foods, or even fruits. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health tips, subscribe to the channel.